Travel around the world. Let's travel to Russia.
I found a clue! Let's go! I found the clue first! I was the one who found it first! Please stop fighting, you two! Now it's broken in half! It's both your fault that the clue is ruined!
It's not a problem. What you have is a Russian souvenir called a Russian doll. Whenever you open one, there's another doll inside.
Oh? I see something inside. Oh, it looks like a map. Look at this country, it's huge.
You're looking at a country called Russia. In case you didn't know, it's the largest country in the world.
That's great, let's go to Russia right now. I'm sure we'll find the next clue there.
Russia.
Whoa! That gigantic lake is amazing! I like this one. The ice is so shiny and pretty. Huh? Look, there's another Russian doll on the lake. I think we found another clue. Sorry, but that clue is mine. The water is freezing!
Oh no, Wolfie!
Somebody help me!
We don't even know how to swim. How dare you jump in the lake?
I know how to swim! It's just that the water was too cold! Mr. Bear, you're awesome! You swam so easily in the freezing water!
It's a piece of cake. Our bodies can take it because we start working out when we're little. We adapt to all kinds of weather.
I'll bite the ice to get the clue. Ow!
I can help you with that.
Give it to me. I was the one who found it. Wait a minute. What is this?
I know. That is a picture of the Kremlin.
Could you please take us there, Mr. Bear? Wow!
Here we are. This is known as the Kremlin.
Oh, I love it. These buildings look like candies.
Take a look at all of the golden domes here.
Here are so many buildings, though. I wonder where the clue will be. Guys, I found the clue! Russian dolls like the other clues I found.
Hey! These dolls are very important and fragile. Please don't break any of them.
I want one of those so much!
Sure, Wolfie. You can get one if you take part in the coloring experience.
Count me in!
We want to join too!
All right, we did it!
Wow! It's amazing! You all did an awesome job! I love all of them. You deserve this prize, so here you go.
Hurry up and open it! No, I'll do it! This thing is so hard to break apart!
Of course you can't open that doll.
What do you mean I can't?
The last doll is usually solid inside.
Solid inside? We won't be able to get the clue! Even though we didn't get a clue, we were still able to get a set of special Russian dolls. I'm so hungry!
Not to worry, kids. I've prepared delicious Russian food just for you.
I'm so excited!
Wait, I think this bread was left in the oven too long.
I can't tell if this is carrot soup or is this maybe tomato soup.
Actually, what you have there are traditional Russian dishes.
This is called black bread. One of the ingredients is black wheat flour. It's very nutritious and is packed with fiber.
This soup is called borscht. It is made with lots of different vegetables. It's tasty and very nutritious. If you eat both of them, your body will be healthy and fit.
I want to be strong like that. We better eat them all up then. The food was so yummy. Patty, you didn't leave any for us. That's because I want to be strong, too. Come back here.
All right, kids.
Would you like to have a try of Russian food too?
How mysterious is Russia? People in Russia are very strong. How could Russian matryoshka is? The trip to Russia is very special. Most of the time in Russia, the weather is very cold. Kids in Russia love exercise. Russian cuisine, black rice is popular. Red vegetable soup is delicious. How mysterious is Russia? People in Russia are very strong. How could Russian matryoshka is? The trip to Russia is very special. Most of the time in Russia, the weather is very cold. Kids in Russia love exercise. Russian cuisine, black rice is popular. Red vegetable soup is delicious. Mysterious is Russia. People in Russia are very strong. How could Russian matryoshka is? The trip to Russia is very special. Most of the time in Russia, the weather is very cold. Kids in Russia love exercise. Russian cuisine, black rice is popular. Red vegetable soup is delicious.
Did you like the song you just heard? We hope to see you again next time!